In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Pipedrive user ID. This is really useful if you're setting up automations, working with integrations, or sharing your details with a developer, and they specifically ask for your user ID rather than your email. It's not immediately obvious where this ID lives in the interface, but once you know where to look, it only takes a few seconds. First, make sure you're logged into your Pipedrive account and that you have admin access. This is important because the area we're going into, company settings, is only visible to users with admin rights. If you don't see the options I'm describing, you may need to ask an admin on your team to grab the ID for you. In the top right corner of your Pipedrive screen, look for the gear icon. This is the shortcut to company settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the company settings page. Once you're in company settings, we're going to navigate to the area where users are managed. On the left-hand side, find and click on Manage Users. Under that section, select Users and Access. This is where you'll see the list of all users in your Pipedrive account. Now in that user list, locate your own account. You can usually scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to type in your name or email to find yourself more quickly. When you see your account row, move your cursor over to the right-hand side of that row. On the far right of your user row, you'll see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open a small drop-down menu. From that menu, choose the option labeled User Overview. When you click this, Pipedrive will open a new tab in your browser with a detailed overview page for your user. Give that new tab a second to load and then look up at your browser's address bar. You'll see a long URL for this user overview page. At the end of that URL, there will be a number. That final number in the link is your Pipedrive user ID. You can copy that number and store it somewhere safe, or share it wherever it's needed for your integrations and automations. And that's all there is to it. Open Company Settings, go to Manage Users, open your user overview, and grab the number at the end of the URL.